Division guesstimation method. So let me show an interesting concept in this. Whenever you want to divisions, so normal divisions is lengthy process, but if you want to do some guess approximate answer, so we can use one simple technique. Let me take one example and I'll show. Okay, 57,867. So I took one number. I need to divide this by 6. So if this is a question, okay, we can do in two ways, normal and by guessing. Let us see how much difference you'll get. Okay, same thing, take in two ways. Normal division, if you do, that is 5,780 57,867 divided by 6, right? So what will take that with 6 times 6 table, 9s are 54 and minus 3, next digit is 8, again 6 are 36. Normal division only, just let us see how we get first. And 6 is the down, again 6 4s are 24, 2 subtracting, again one more digit is 7, 27, again 6 4s are 24 and 3 is the remainder. So we can conclude this answer is equals to what we got, 9 6 4 4 3 by 6 if you convert into mixed fraction. So 3 by 6 is indirectly 1 by 2. Next step we can make. So this is 9644 and half. Okay, this is the normal division, we know that. But when you want to guess, this is a 57,000 some change. 57,800 change. If you nearest to the hundreds, so 58,000 nearest to hundreds place means more than 500. So we can take it as 58,000. So let us guess this number as 58,000 directly. And this one I want to divide with 6. So when it's 58,000, need not to do normal division. Just you can keep in mind and guess this 58. Okay, directly 58 you can keep in mind. How much? 9, 6 nines are 54. And remainder is 4 it is. Let be 4. And because of 3 zeros, next to 3 zeros, right? We can keep, in these 3 zeros means you can write here. So this we can guess like this, 9,000 4 by 6. 9,000 4 by 6 is, we can make it as 9 4 by 6 thousands. Is all done. 4 by 6 again if you calculate, 2 3. So 9 2 by 3 k, that means 9 2 by 3 thousands. So 9 plus, 2 by 3 value 0.6661. So that means if you round it to 3 digit number, 667 k. So this is approximately 9667, 9667. So in original we got 9644. Somewhat we can guess in that way. That means you can take to nearest to 10,000s or thousands or nearest to hundreds, and we can guess with the same number. So approximately with little difference, there is a chance to get it. And two more examples I want to give you now along with this. Let us see two examples. For example, one athlete salary is, for example, for 1 year it is 5 millions. Imagine, okay, $5 million one athlete's salary. If you want to guess how much amount you get per day means you should divide with 365, right? So this is this number, and we need to divide with 365. This is his annual income. If you want to find out his 1 day's income is, we should divide with 365. So this we can guess in this way. That is 365. No, it's a 3 digit. First we can take only this 5,000. We can guess 5,000 divided by 365. How many times approximately? 365. This 365 also, okay, if you imagine 350 nearest to of tens, nearest to tens is 350. 350 into 10 is 3500, but it's more extra. And 350, okay, 350 into 4, that is 1400. 3500 plus 1400 is 4900. Approximately this is 14. So 14 means, because of the three zeros, right? We can guess is a 14,000. So per day is income is $14,000. But exact answer? Exact answer is, if you do normal division this, so exactly we get 13,698. 13,698.63. See, very less difference, notice 14,000 is 13,698. But it's all for guessing, spontaneously. Randomly you want to guess, this way you can do it. So these are some simple techniques. So mostly, not only this, if you want, okay, let me give one more example in different way. For example, how many seconds does light travels from sun to earth is the question. How many seconds does light travel from sun to earth is, we know the light speed. If I write in miles, 186,282. This is miles per second. And distance between, same, that sun to earth is 92960,130. This means miles far. If you want to find out number of seconds it takes, means just we can take this divide by this distance by speed, right? We know that. So what we have to do, 92960,130 we should divide by 186,282. This is normal division, is very lengthy process, but what we can take, okay, first three digits, except, okay, last three digits I am leaving here, also last three digits you can leave it. 282, 130 just leave. Remaining numbers you can guess. This is 92,960. 92,960 is approximately 93,000. We will divide this by only 186. And we know that 186, we do normal division, 93,000, 186 it is. 186 5s up. Exactly 930. That means in at least 500. Extra 2 zeros, no? 500. So 500 seconds. It takes time to travel. How many seconds does light travel from sun to earth? It's 500 seconds. But the original answer, if you do, that is 499.02 seconds. The original answer, the distance, how many seconds light travel from sun to earth is 499.02. But our guessing is 500. We got. See how much, very near value. So these are the guessing method we can take. These are the simple technique. And similarly, not only the divisions, next I'll show some guesstimation method, even multiplication also now.